Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach after market update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Thursday, September 15th. I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today we had some volatility. We were pretty active in the room today. Had up to 8 trades, really 7, but it was the same trade. We hit twice. I'm going to go through everything for you from left to right real quick because we got a lot to cover. First trade, I'm going to expand these charts up a little bit. First trade in the gold market. This is not in any particular order. This is just going from instrument to instrument. We had a short in the gold market, and I told everybody, look, this thing was pretty stretched. We're getting table scraps here. We may get $1 or 2 to the downside. We got short at 13.13. Told everybody specifically, if you have an odd number of contracts, make sure you take more off so that you're not only risk-free, but you're guaranteeing yourself a little bit of money in case it doesn't follow through. Made up to 10 ticks, and came back up on that trade. 9 ticks. We start taking profits at 8. So 3 contracts, 2 off at 8, and then either to entry or -8. Make a few bucks there, nothing major. Market reversed and turned around. Once I was a little bit more confident and we had a setup to the long side, I said I'd be a little bit more aggressive taking longs if this was in fact going to be the bottom. We got long at 13.16.5. Again, targets at 20, 22, and then ultimately we had what was called the ZL. We almost got short, but we didn't get short. Should have called a short there at 24, and that was a beautiful trade. That was from 16.5 up to 85 ticks on that trade. And the nice thing about this is once it started going, we had very little heat. We had a beautiful trade in the ES as well. That one took a little bit longer. But this was a beautiful, beautiful trade in gold. Then in the crude market, we had a couple nice ones. Kind of running out of time on the second one here, but we got short at 43.70 on an understanding trade. Told everybody before we got in the trade the target is we're looking for it to revisit the low of the day, and that's exactly what it did. Low of the overnight down here, and that was a beautiful trade as well. About 45 ticks. And that was all we did to the short side in crude. We got busy with the ES, so we didn't do anything in here. We did take a trade 44.11 at the end of the morning. I told everybody I'd wait around. We're looking for a 30 target. Again, I told everybody 30 all along. Once it got up to about 20.25 here and it was bouncing around, I had to leave because I had to run for an appointment. I just got back. Told everybody, you can go to entry. You can hold to 30. That's exactly what happened. Or people just exited there around 23, 25, made about 12 ticks, but that one made almost 20. It did make 20, but 30 was the target, so up to 19 on that trade. And in the ES, we had a power play, which we tried right at the open. Told everybody, there's a volatility. We may have to add to that. And we did, in fact, have to add to that. We easily got out at break even on this candle here at 21.20, and then when it came back up, we got back in again, and that one made 2 points on that trade. Market came back down and kind of went sideways here. Once it made another attempt to go up again, we got long at 23 at 9.06, and you'll see the thing never looked back. It did go sideways here. I told everybody, and again, this circle that I had here was here the whole time, all the way before we even got in a trade. Told everybody this is going to be an interesting area to get through. However, if they can get through this thing may go all the way up to 37, 37.5. That was my ultimate target. I did say if you only had one contract left, if you're looking for an intermediary target there, take something off at 29, or if you're not going to take it off at 29, we move our stop up. And once it hits this line, I told everybody you got to wait till it hits this line. Once it hits this line, move your stop up, and as you'll see, it never looked back once they moved the stop up. Some people moved it up a little early and got aggressive and took some stuff off in here, 3-4 points, after that, I said it's going all the way up to probably about 37. In fact, I thought about getting short in here, which we could have done and made a point or two, but we did not because I was ultimately looking for 37.5, 37. When we got that, for anybody who was in, I said to reverse. We got short. We got short here on a bonus trade or a high-level RS over here at 650. So we had people short from 750 to 650 all the way in here. And again, the room closed closed, but you'll see it came all the way down here. This was our target here at 31.5. But again, 3 points until the room closed. I'm not going to count all the way down there because people want to have to be flat around here. So up to 3 points on that short, and just a killer day today. We're going to come back again and do it tomorrow. And until then, guys and gals and traders, have a wonderful day.